Why does Lena leave her brother's house? She is searching for her baby father. Who first see Lena along the road in the novel? मतलब कि the arms stood. How does river end? High tower's wife die in a fall from a hotel window. How do Joe Brown and Joe Christmas earn a living after quitting at the mill, making and selling liquor? What is revealed about Joe Christmas after the fire at the Burton house? He was a Miss Burton, the Burton's occasional lover. What does young Joe Christmas steal from a Dardisian room at the orphanage? Toothpaste. What does Joe Christmas do when he finds out that Bobby's Ellen is a prostitute? He beat her. What does Joe Christmas purchase with the money from selling the heifer his father give him? Yeah, a train ticket to Memphis. How does Joe Christmas kill his father at the school dance? By smashing chairs over his head. Where does Joe first meet Miss Burden? In her house while he is stealing food from a kitchen. Where is a Miss Burton family from? New Hampshire. What is a Miss Burton first name? Jonina. How does Miss Burton try to help Joe Christmas? By trying to send him to college. Where does Lena decide to live? In Joe Brown a cabin on the Burton property. Where is Joe Christmas captured? On the main street of a Moto Stones. When is a Mr. Highness is arrested after he pull a gun on the member of an all black church? Which of the following is a truth of a Joe Christmas biological father? He worked in a traveling circus. Who does the janitors at the orphanage turn out to be? Joe grandfather. After Joe arrest, what does Byron ask Hightower to do? Claim falsely that Joe was with him the night of the murder. After Lena gives birth, what does Hightower ask her to do? Reject Byron attention. What does Joe Brown do after his reunion with Lena? Runs away and escape on a train. What happened after Joe Christmas escaped? He is shot and killed in a Virginia Hightower house. What does Percy Grimham do after he killed Joe Christmas? Costes Joe with a knife. Why did Hightower want to come to Jefferson in the first place? His grandfather was killed there during the war. What do Byron and Lena do at the novel's conclusion? Head for Tennessee in search of Joe Brown. Where was Faulkner born? Mississippi. What is the name of a fictional country in which Faulkner set his stories? Yogna Patappa country. What kind of a entity in society in a Faulkner novel? Representative. What kind of an entity in society in a Faulkner novel? Representative. In what way are the events of a light in Augusta told non-linearly? Who had recently died when Faulkner began writing Light in Augusta? Faulkner's daughter. Who is Lena searching for in Mississippi? Her baby father. Upon Lena arrivals in the town, who is the chief suspect for the murder of Miss Murden? Joe Christmas, who was killed in a Jefferson in the Civil War. Height our grandfather है. How long does Joe Christmas wander after killing his foster father? Over 15 years. What was Joe Christmas' father a professional circus worker? What distinguishing feature does Joe Brown have near his mouth? A white scare. White trait describe Miss Burton. Reclusive. What trait does not describe Mr. MC? Mr. MC in चरण पैसिव है. What is Mr. Highness famous for? Craig's raving है. What does Bobby's pass for at dinner in Jefferson? Waitress है. What does Christmas remain? Thou art the novel. Thou art the novel. मतलब insecutable है. What does Christmas lack above all? An identity. मतलब Lena can be seen as a simple embodiment of the novel life force. Thou the figure of a high tower become a living entity that is never escaped on a left behind the past. Barren life is designed around the evidence of entrenchment. The looms large in a light in Augusta history. What which character are described as living outside of time? Height over Christmas. The use of suggest that eschating English word are insufficient for Faulkner. Exploration of a conciseness. Compound word. Who is the beneficiary? Who is the beneficiary of a mistaken identity? Barren है. Who और what is identity? मतलब कि indirectly established as a double for a Christmas. The dead sheep. What does Armstead give Lena a ride in or on his wagon? What does Martha give to Armstead to give to Lena? Money. How much is the can of sardines? Lena by 15 cents है. Where does Byron work in Jefferson? A planing mill. What does Brown quickly develop a reputation as a loudmouth bootlegger है. What service does Hightower offer? Why a sign on his lawn? Art teacher. Where was Hightower wife found dead? Memphis hotel है. Like approximately how long has Hightower lived in Jefferson after the scandal? 20 years. What does Byron live? Miss Boarding house. How much money in Miss Burton Nefe offering for the capture of her killer? $1,000 before the fire and murder. How many nights is Christmas awake after midnight struggling to sleep too? Where does Christmas finally get to sleep for a 2 hour? The stable. At what time in the morning does Christmas go to the clearing where the metal tin are hidden? Shaman. How old is Christmas in the orphan scenes in chapter 6:5? Christmas sneak into the Dixonian room to steal toothpaste. On what day of a week does the narrative of chapter 7 begin? Sunday. How old is Christmas when He beat a woman that he and the other farm boy lured to a seed. 14 at age 17, what does Christmas sell without Mr. MC Excheran permission? His calf, Mr. MC Excheran, lie and say she used her to buy Christmas a suit. His butter money. In a chapter 8, what does Christmas change into his suit? The brain. In chapter 9, a Christmas sneak out to a dance being held in the schoolhouse. What does Christmas use to kill Mr. MC? Mr. MC Incharan a chair. The Christmas still MC Incharan money which she had hidden under the floor. What is the final job Christmas take on is wandering army enlistee. What does Christmas eat after a shipping into a Miss Burton house? Field P. In what season does the relationship between Miss Burton and a Christmas school? Like Ottoman. What trade does Miss Burton want Christmas to learn? The law है. During the showdown with Christmas, what does Miss Burton reveal under the shaw? Revolver है. How many bullets does Christmas discover in the gun? 2. Where does Miss Burton Nefe live? New Hampshire. Where is Byron? Saying in chapter 14 a tent. The sheriff is called to investigate Christmas rampage in the black church at 3 a.m. What did Christmas do in the front of the church before running off? Had a cigarette. A young man gave Christmas a ride to in this wagon. Mudstone. Mr. Hines asks her husband what he did with the baby of a woman named more than 30 years before. Millie. Where does Byron find Hightower sleeping when he arrived to tell Hightower of a Christmas capture in the yard? What does Hightower believe in the lot of a good and wicked alike suffering? Christmas father tell Millie that he is Mexican while Millie is inside giving birth. Mr. Hines stand on the porch holding a shotgun. For how long does Mrs. Hines wish Christmas to be free from jail? One day, Byron attempted to leave town by mule. What feeling does not descend upon Brown when he see Lena and his newborn son? Calm. Byron see a Brown jumping on to escape town a train. Where was Christmas found hiding when he was recaptured? Hightower home. How many times does Grimm shoot Christmas 5? What profession was Hightower slave owning grandfather lawyer? How many years did Hightower father serve in the army during the Civil War? 4 years. What color patch did Hightower grandfather uniform have on it? Blue. How does Hightower feel as he had the charge of his grandfather company like he is dying? Into the which state do Lena and Byron travel as the ride side by side at the novel end? Tennessee.